Let's clear up a common misconception right away. Despite the name, there isn't actually a single app called Rogers Xfinity app. Rogers Communications in Canada and Xfinity, owned by Comcast in the US, are separate companies. Rogers has its own apps like Ignite TV and Anyplace TV. Xfinity has its Xfinity Stream app. People may mistakenly combine the names because of past partnerships, but as of today, October 31st, 2025, no such combined app exists. This video will focus on the Xfinity Stream app, since that seems to be the most likely point of interest. If you are looking for information on a Rogers app, please refer to official Rogers resources. The Xfinity Stream app is Comcast's platform for accessing live TV, on-demand content, and streaming services on your mobile devices and smart TVs. It offers features like AI-powered content recommendations, integration with streaming services like Peacock, Netflix, and Hulu via Xfinity Flex, and cross-device syncing. You can download it on iOS, Android, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, and Samsung Smart TVs. To set it up, download the app, sign in with your Xfinity ID, and connect to your home Wi-Fi. If you experience buffering issues, restart the app, check your internet speed, aim for at least 25 megabytes per second, or use the in-app chat to contact Xfinity support. A key thing to know is that you'll need an active Xfinity internet or cable subscription to use the app.